whirling through, recording a back trip, and she got the fall for a place in the semis. And then she got pinned by Radhika of India in the semi-finals. So bronze medal contest it is. She's in the blue and in the red, Kazakhstan's Albina Kайргелдинова. Kайrgелдинова losing to Radhika as well in her semi-final. Taштанбекова records 2 points.
4 камтуу боюнча Кыргызстандын лидеринен чексиздикти кошуп ал. 4 жумага болгону 500 сом. Максималдуу ылдамдыктагы чексиз интернет. Акысыз мессенджерлер менен социалдык тармактар. Wi-Fi'ды акысыз таратуу. Чексиз чалуулар. Жогорку сапаттагы 200дөн ашуун телеканал. Этно медиа онлайн кинотеатрын акысыз көрүү. Мой О тиркемесинен же Остор дүкөндөрүнүн акысыз есим. Барына чексиз.
Counter points back rather, the Kайргелдинова with the 2.
No exposure, so no 2. So close to Taштанбекова. Kайргелдинова there with the nice reversal, just locked her hands over, saw that the hips were up, decided to go over. Nice exposure for 2 points. Taштанбекова needs to learn that when you're on those legs, you can't afford to bring your hips up higher than your head, because that means you will get taken over very easy. You have to almost be stuck to the mat, put your hips down and work forward on those legs. Taštанбекова looking for the pin here with that reversal. Needs to slide that head, pull that head a little bit towards and slide it back a little. Needs to just keep that right elbow tight so she can't turn in, which she has done. Looking to turn her back over.
Is the pin going to come now?
And this it is.
Oh, she throws as much as she throws. Taštанбекова, a bronze medalist in Bishkek, and today's great entertainer.
Now she's really got the crowd going today in every single match she's been in.